We do a lot of retaining wall installation, and a lot of that is replacement of existing walls. And so what we've seen that ends up shortening the lifespan of existing retaining walls are improper base and poor drainage consideration. So we see a lot of retaining walls that were installed maybe 10, 20, even more years than that, sometimes 30 years ago, that were not put in with any drainage consideration. No drain tile, no drain windows, they don't have a gravel base underneath them or behind them. And that's something that we always do. So we'll use fabric to separate soil from gravel, and that allows the water to flow through the gravel, which is, we use a large form of gravel behind the walls that has a lot of voids in between the pieces of gravel, allowing a lot of water to come wherever it needs to, as much as wants to flow through the land. And then that flows down through the gravel to a drain tile that we have at the base behind each wall. And that drain tile is connected to what we call windows, which are basically squares, drain squares, that allow the water to all flow out from behind the wall. The long term, what happens if you don't have those kind of drainage solutions are water builds up behind the walls, and then when it freezes, it expands the wall and slowly starts pushing it over. So that's where all those leaning walls we see in kind of the older neighborhoods around the Twin Cities are coming from. It's from water freezing and thawing and pushing that wall out over time.